not a game, it's a rich thing.
Come on. We got one more. I think this one's flat. Yeah, needs air. Let's go. Alright fam, so welcome to today's video. Today is Memorial Day, but for today's video we are going to do a little something just on the regular. It's my day off, got some free time. We got the little MIATA. We already got the wheels over there. If you read the title, then you already know what's gonna happen. So yeah, little update on the MIATA. It's going pretty cool. Haven't had any problems. Took it up to the mountain. If you guys saw my last video, I tried to do like a little cinematic video, but for right now, you know, we're just gonna waste the rest of those tires down the street, round the block, don't even know. We're gonna figure this out. Nah, we ain't going no Mexico. That's too damn far. I don't know how y'all 13, 20 motherfuckers be doing that, going to Mexico and coming back same night. That's pretty fast, but my MIATA ain't that fast. So for today, we're getting this thing going on. All right, first things first, we gotta swap out these wheels. You know what I'm saying? Can't have the good ones, so we gotta throw some bad ones so we can burn the bad ones. So let's go. We're done. Let's go, let's get to it. We have a couple of things to do today. Hopefully we can hop on that go-kart, but first things first, we're gonna go drive these tires out. Alright fam, so we are back. We just want to go do a little skit, you know. Don't even know. But anyway, those spots were somewhere out of the US, but definitely not in Mexico. I might have went to Canada in that case. So now that since we're back from a long ass drive, you know, I had to go get my passport and everything, trying to get out the state. Looks like everything went good. Car handled pretty good, but right now we are thirsty as a motherfucker because it's hot, and Cali is hot. Not compared to other states like Texas, you know, but still hot. Gotta stay hydrated out here. Then the car cooled down. We are all cool. So I don't think I got much going on for the day today, but what we do have going on is, you know, just trying to edit the little video I'm about to make, which is the one that you guys are coming out on. I mean, I'm coming out on, not you guys. I don't pretty much get anything else. So I mean, the car's running fine. I ain't got no problems. I'm probably gonna take these wheels to work, you know, since I already burned the shit out of them, you know. Well, you know what, that one's already pretty bald. We burned the fuck out of that one. So this is a Kart, man. I don't think I have anything going on for this. Pretty sick, you know. I'm trying to sell this hydro, which is right here, but nobody seems to want it. So in that case, what I'm thinking about doing is installing a hydro on here, you know, like I got nobody wanting the hydro, so there's nothing much really I could do. But you know, like, nobody wants it. So what I'm planning on doing is probably gonna install the hydro up front. You know, I still got plenty of room, you know, and probably keep that going. Let's hope that it starts. I haven't even started it for the longest, but let me see, it's on. And let me see, what else do I need? Oh yeah, the choke. Now that goes like that, so this goes like this. Damn. Yeah, that shit still works. So stay tuned for that, man. I feel like using it right now. Yeah, you know the deal. For sure, everybody hates me in my neighborhood. I don't give a shit. Alright fam, so we're gonna finish the video here. I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys go on my description below, follow me on Instagram. Also don't forget to check out the merch website. Anything you buy, trust me, you won't get something small, you get a big package. So don't forget to purchase, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and comment. See you guys on the next video. Peace.